Jeepney arrests and interdiction that the LTO and the LTFRB are doing. We still don't have a report on this right now because they have not yet returned our call. But suffice it to say, a week ago, kaniya itong nag-istorya ni Secretary Tugade, klarong-klaro namin, klarong-klaro among gipaghisgutan na temporarily, kinahanglan, pasagdan muna na madugangan ang atong transport conveyances. So on Monday, I will hold on to that commitment of Secretary Tugade, and I will be out there, and I will confront anybody who arrests, because there is a standing order from the Secretary of Transportation to allow. It absolutely does not make sense, if we want to observe social distancing, to curtail the operation of public conveyances. Mao nga, di ko makasabot sa interdiction sa pagdakop ba sa mga jeepney drivers. I already explained to Secretary Tugade, and I am explaining again right now, that they cannot rely, di sila pwede musalig sa mga record ng mga valid franchises. Tungod kay ingon nila na daghan naman daw ang mga bus, valid franchises, but these franchises represent old, mga karang mga bus nga wa sila nag-modify to Euro 5 engines. Mao nga di sila pwede mag-operate. Mao nga kung ang gusto ng LTO o LTFRB nga ang mga tao magguot o mag-antos sila sa pagsud nila sa trabaho nila, then they should continue doing it. They should continue what they're doing. But they're being blind, insensitive to the reality on the ground. On one hand, the national government tells us, open up. And on the other hand, the LTO and the LTFRB are interdicting our jeepneys. What do they want? Do they want us to open up, or do they want us to shut down? That's why I'm very, very exasperated with this recurring issue, even despite with the assurance of the Secretary of the Department of Transportation. Mga Monday, I am issuing a call on Monday that if the LTO and the LTFRB are going to start interdicting on Monday, they will have to arrest me along with them, because I'm going to be out there in the streets. It is really, I cannot understand the logic. I cannot understand the logic. At a time when you want to open up the economy, at the time that you want people not to congest, to honor social distancing, that is the time you're going to start arresting jeepneys. I cannot understand it. I'm sorry. About the prototype, I've already asked the provincial administrator to please follow up with General Galvez. Tungod kay gisubmit na nato sa IATF, hangtod karon wa pay news kabahin sa approval sa atong gisubmit na divider, na acrylic plastic na divider. And on the issue of Panglao, the provincial administrator has apparently just received the rules on the operations. And as I said, I just hope that the municipal government of Panglao will review it and make it consistent with the national IATF rules. Because, of course, everybody wants to open, but we have to do it in such a way na maprotektahan nato ang tanan, ang mga bisita, ug ang atong mga workers, ang atong mga locals food. Di naman pwede na one-way rat-rat. Okay? So, Attorney Kat, you have those rules submitted to you. Kano saan na isubmit?
Actually, sir, I received it only a few minutes before I was on my way. I came down here for the press con. But I also heard Mayor Nila Montero's remark yesterday on the radio when she